Ever struggled with clearing mist on a chilly morning? Let's turn this challenge into effortless convenience. Welcome back to Factful Fridays. In today's episode, we're sharing smart car maintenance hacks to keep your vehicle in top shape during winter. But before we dive into winter maintenance hacks, let's uncover the reason behind those misty mornings. Why does it happen? That mist isn't just a mystery, it's science. It happens because of the temperature difference between the inside and outside of your car. When the warm, moist air inside meets the cold glass, moisture condenses and forms visible droplets that make the windshield look foggy. But don't worry, clearing that fog is easier than you think. With the right use of your car's front and rear defoggers, you can keep your view crystal clear and drive safely through winters. To defog the front windshield, start by turning on the car engine and then press the front defogger button. This will quickly clear the front windshield for safe drive. Now that the front windshield is clear, let's take care of the rear. To defog the rear windshield, simply turn on the car engine and press the rear defogger button. It's that easy. And if your car has a manual defogger control, here's what to do. Turn on the engine, switch on the AC, set the temperature knob to the blue zone. Set the blower speed and rotate the left knob to the front defogger mode. This ensures quick and effective front windshield clearing. Now for a clear rear windshield, turn on the engine. Switch on the rear defogger. This will keep your rear view clear and safe. And before you hit the road, remember, cold weather can freeze essential fluids and harden your windshield wiper blade. If needed, get them checked and replaced at your nearest Maruti Suzuki Authorized service center for a worry-free drive. And to make your car truly winter ready, don't forget the essentials: tires, battery, coolant, heater, defogger, and more. For a complete checkup, visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki Authorized service center today. Got a car care topic you'd like us to cover next? Comment below. Stay tuned for more car facts only on Factful Fridays.